tutorial today, and it's gonna be for the twist out. And first we're going to be using our AfricanPride products. AfricanPride was in February CurlBox. We're gonna get into this video real quick. Coming out of the shower, we are going to now start separating our hair for our twist out. There isn't really like a actual way I do this. I kind of just go as I please, and we're gonna stick with AfricanPride, as you know. First, I'm gonna use their hair and scalp sealing oil, and this is the black Castor Miracle line by them. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that first, guys. And we're gonna just untwist that twist. Oh, in the shower, I put my hair into 2 twists to wash and condition. Well, to shampoo and condition, sorry. So we're just gonna just put it in the scalp. And let it roll down. And we're also gonna get a good chunk of this. Hair. Oh, it feels... Guys, this is my first time using the product, just so we're clear, and it feels so nice. Oh, it has black castor oil in it, obviously, and tea tree oil and soybean oil. Ooh. Okay, go ahead, AfricanPride. And this is my very first video, y'all, so don't be too harsh on me. After the oil, we're gonna go ahead and use their moisture butter leave-in. No panties in the way. I take my time with it. Bring you close to me. Don't want no young dumb shit. But if I me like we listening to Jodeci, I was trying to lay low, taking it slow. When I'm fucking again, hey, gotta celebrate. If your man look good, but I put him away. If you can sweat the weave out, you shouldn't even be out. There no reservations at the pussy, you gon' eat out. I'm gonna ride it through it just how you like it tonight. And after that, let's do it one more time. Girl, I ain't one for begging, but now you got me begging. Please me, baby. Turn around and just tease me, baby. You got what I want and what I need, baby. Let me hear you say, please. Let me hear you say, okay, guys, I'm gonna show you guys how I did my twist out using my AfricanPride products from my CurlBox. So this is what I use to put my twist in, guys, so that you guys can all see. I use their healing sealing oil. Also, I use their braid lock and twist gel. And I use their moisture butter. And I'm going to, for my edges, guys, you know, gotta get them edges in check. I'm going to use their hold and cover edges. It's black, love the black ones. Okay. And the way I take my twist out, I'm gonna go ahead and use their AfricanPride 5 essential oils. So I'm gonna use this one. Break that shit. Tease me, baby. Turn around and tease me, baby. You got what I want and need, baby. Let me hear you say, please. Let me hear you say, please. Tease me, baby. Turn around and tease me, baby. Alright, guys, this is the finished product. Take a look. And I shall see you next time. Later, beauties. Bye.